So, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another day and still the same problem. At least it was before we kind of fixed it. Huge thanks to Simon, Darren and Richard who actually commented underneath the previous video with their suggestions. I did read everything and I did test everything that they said, and that actually led me to fix this issue as well. Huge thanks to Tony Forbes Marsden, because he was with me on like Facebook and Messenger and like texting back and forward what it could be and so on. I did try different dashboards. He mentioned that since some of the dashboards are with the white back, he said like never mix them up. If your car came with the blue one, you should use the blue one. If it came with a white one, use the white one. Mine's, all of them, they were blue. So kind of I went through the dashboards and check everything. So had no battery light on even when I turned the key in ignition, like just before the start. Usually all the lights should light up. It didn't light up. On one of the dashboards, I realized that one of the light bulbs are broken, burned out bulb. I changed that one with a different one, still didn't work. And as Tony said, some for E30s, it's quite weird that actually everything goes through the light bulb, and if the light bulb is burned out, there's no charge for your battery, which is kind of weird. Like on the later, I believe, like facelift models or something, they change with the actual resistor. And yeah, so, but yeah, that was not the problem. I believe like Simon messaged everything about the ground. So I did like a voltage drawn test and everything, and I noticed like battery have 12.4, 12.5 volts on it. And I was testing everything and then basically touched the alternator. It showed alright, it showed like those 12.4 volts. But the funny bit was when you start a car, it just drops to the 5 volts and to the positive cable of the battery, and another one just scratching the alternator itself. You can see voltage is 12.6 volts, so which is fine. And then the funny bit is I start the car and then suddenly the voltage drops to about 4 or 5 volts when I do the voltage drop test. As you can see, ground everywhere is fine around the car. When you poke like random bits, it still shows something. But then I touch alternator and it just shows only 5 volts. So basically, as Simon said, I did check everything, all the ground and everything. So I took off the ground cable that goes from the engine to the body of the car. I basically cleaned, polished everything, and I polished everything here. So this bracket and alternator, everything, that the little screw underneath it, and everything was basically polished. And it just kind of like, I didn't believe it's gonna start, but you know, it obviously started, but it didn't charge. I didn't believe that it's gonna charge, but it did charge. It showed like 13.6 something volts, kind something like that. And yeah, I guess it was the problem with bad connection, and basically with the bad ground connection, which was not that bad. You look at it like it looked alright-ish, but yeah, obviously it was not properly connected, not properly grounded. So yeah, and I guess now the problem is solved. So now we have other problems to solve on this E30, like leaking fuel tank, and I'll just start doing that one. But before doing that, I just want to say huge thanks to all of you guys who helped me, who messaged and sent the comments, like, and wrote the comments and sent messages and everything. So yeah, huge thank you. And yeah, we'll probably come back to you with some other problems with this E30 build project. Okay, but until then, cheers guys, and thank you.